Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with more data entry non-phone work from home job leads. Data entry is the most popular type of work from home job there is. So I have today 5 companies that are hiring some kind of data entry job. But real quickly, before we get into all of them, if you're new here, hi, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and if you're interested in any of these jobs and you want to put your application in, the links to all of these pages are in the YouTube description box below the video. Diving right on in, the company Conduent is hiring a data entry associate. Now, this is remote within the United States. If you are in Lexington, Kentucky, you have the option to work on site in the office if you want to. Otherwise, your option is working remote. Now, one thing to note, this is a second shift, night shift job. The hours are 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. They do pay $14 an hour, and you must be able to type at least 40 words per minute. But if that sounds like you, they're looking for someone to be responsible for keying rental car data, such as citations, rental car contracts, and purchases of rental cars into the computer system. This is going to be a production-oriented position, so you'll have to adhere to the client-based service level goals. They are looking for someone who has previous data entry experience or some kind of administrative experience, someone who has strong computer skills and knows how to use Microsoft Office, including Excel, Word, and Outlook. You need to be able to work in a fast-paced environment, multitask, have great organizational skills, and be able to pass a criminal background check or drug screen. Now, they do require a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree. Moving right along, the Parkinson's Foundation is hiring a data entry coordinator. Now, this is part-time, 20 hours per week. This is remote within the United States. So you will actually be reviewing and responding to all email inquiries received at matchinggifts@parkinson.org. You'll be responsible for entering all the check and ACH information from the gifts and employee given transactions into the database. You'll confirm all matching gift confirmation requests. You'll enter the matching gift pledges into the Razor's Edge for all confirmed gifts. You'll update and maintain the donation database. So basically, the Parkinson Foundation is taking in donations, and when those donations come in by check or direct deposit, you're basically entering all that information in the computer system and database and keeping track of that. Now, they do require a high school diploma. They prefer a 2-year degree, but it is not required. They are looking for someone who has 2 years experience in professional data management position, someone who has great data entry skills, someone, of course, who can, again, work Microsoft Office, Outlook, Word, Excel, all of those things, someone who can multitask, be creative, reliable, and responsible, and has strong written and oral communication skills. Now, they did not list pay for this position. Of course, that is dependent on experience and location. Next up, AmeriGas Company is hiring a data processing specialist. This is seasonal and remote for the United States. This position consists of setting up and processing data for customer accounts, billing adjustments, and reporting. You'll perform data entry and data quality functions within the CRM and SAP. You'll input master data requests into the system for new customer accounts and make changes to account master data as requested. You'll review and process incoming CRM cases with contracts, documents, delivery updates, billing disputes. You'll provide updates to the statuses of those requests, and you'll do any other data processing administrative duties as assigned. Now, they do require a high school diploma or GED, someone, again, who knows Microsoft Office, someone who has the ability to navigate and network with the internet, you're good on a computer, someone who has a positive attitude, great attention to detail, someone who can multitask and think critically, and, of course, someone who can type at least 35 words per minute. Next up, the 4ES Corporation is hiring someone to do data entry. It says their salary is between $25,000 and $35,000 a year. But the duties include entering data from abstracted medical and laboratory information, organize files and enter collected data into the database, establish data entry priorities, maintain the records for each case, Alert team members if information is incomplete. You might have to scan documents or print files when needed. Now, they do offer a benefit package including dental and health insurance, pay time off, a 401k. They are looking for someone who has experience in Microsoft Office and experience in data entry. And last but not least, we have the company Allied OneSource. They are hiring a contract data entry specialist. They are specifically seeking candidates to work on a special project, so this is going to be contract based for a health services organization. So they need temporary staff. It does not say how long it will be, but they are paying $16 an hour, and they're looking for someone to work 8 to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Of course, this is work from home. So the responsibilities of the job are accurately and properly entering data and assist the company in entering data for this project. They do want your data entry scores to be between 9,000 and 10,000 keystrokes per hour or better. But if that is you, they're looking for someone who has 1 to 2 years of experience in data entry, someone who has a high school diploma, someone who can key those keystrokes per hour, and someone who has great accuracy and a great attention to detail. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.